have assembled here for a motivational session, and I am sure that you are going to enjoy the session a lot. So the session is going to be motivating and inspiring, and the name says it all. So I seek your cooperation in that regard. I want you to pay attention, keep your mobile phones on the silent mode when the session is going on, so that you can attend the session and be interactive, because if you are interactive, the other person also feels nice and it makes the session more wonderful. Today the session would be provided by Ayub Akula sir. So briefing about Akula sir, let me tell you, he is a social worker, engineer, and by professional, he is a PR professional and political strategist. He is a president of Infinity Foundation since last 7 years, leading a team of 109 young committee members and 300 plus volunteers. He is the president of Youth Development Chamber of Raigad from last 4 years, and he has successfully conducted more than 100 drives and has taken initiative for the betterment of the society. To name a few: Youth Social Empowerment Program, that is Tribal Women Upliftment Project in 11 villages around Panvel, he has conducted. Climate Change Literacy Seminar in more than 70 schools and colleges in Panvel and Navi Mumbai. Then he has been awarded by Panvel Municipal Corporation with Swachhta Dutt Puraskar. He has won 1 international and 5 national and 7 state technical paper presentations. So I would request you to give a huge round of applause. I would request our HOD, Dr. Saili Chaudhary ma'am, to felicitate Akula sir.
पैसा चाहिए उसके
Now I request sir to start with the session. The stage is yours.
A very hearty good afternoon, wonderful teachers. Thank you for the appreciation. I hope my voice is very clear and loud there. How many people are here only for attendance? Okay. So it is all about attendance or it is about motivation? People sitting in the front line want motivation, I suppose. But innovation always comes from the last bench, right? Is it true? Even I used to sit on the last bench, mostly. Thank you. So as ma'am has told you about what exactly I have done in past 2 to 3 years, working with Infinity Foundation for last 7 years. Yesterday we completed 9 years, that is Infinity Foundation. Presently I am working with Panvel Municipal Corporation, Ulhasnagar Mahagarpalika and Nashik for different projects. Also got an opportunity to work with Health Ministry, Government of India, Youth Affairs, Jal Shakti Mantralaya and a lot. This session, I'm going to ask for continuously. I'll be talking for 20 minutes, that is for sure. So, can I take this? Yes. Is it clear? So we are talking about motivation and I don't know what exactly success means. Can somebody tell me what exactly is success? What is the definition of success? Not amongst yourself, right? Somebody will have to stand up and tell what exactly is success. And we can have a candid talk, right? What is your average age? What is the age here? 18. Okay, so you are like around 9 years younger than me. So we have an age gap, no problem. But we can have a candid talk here. What is success according to you? Anyone? What is success actually? Achieving something which is our dream, okay? Behind there, what is success? Good wealth. Wealth. Yeah, okay. Anything else? Anything from your girls' representation? What is success? Yes, yes, sir. Sorry, I cannot do this. Somebody, you can just repeat what I said. Yes, ma'am. Please. Somebody's alarm is over. Huh? Achieving a desired outcome, that is हमारा ये है. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. So achieving a desired outcome is something what is success. Somebody told wealth, somebody maybe a car, somebody a house, a world, somebody a good business. How many people are going for startups? Anybody for startup here? Who has planned for you all are in first year? So anybody who has planned for startup, maybe a good startup can be a success story. Success does not have a definition, right? Whenever we are standing on the ground floor and I feel that I should go on this first floor, standing on the first floor you feel now I should go on the second floor. So maybe success cannot be defined because it is a continuous process. Nobody can say that I am successful, that is what I feel. Can a person or an identity say that I am confirmed successful? Can I say that? There is somebody who retires at 50 and somebody becomes president at 60. Is it possible? But in this world, the problem we all sitting here today are facing, that the start point is not same for everybody, right? Everybody has a different start point. You know the track of running track? So it is, the start point is adjusted in a linear, a cross line. You all know that? The person at the outermost circle is standing a bit ahead and the innermost at the last, correct? But the starting point of everybody is adjusted in a manner that they get equal opportunities. Is it true? You all on the same page with me? But in real life, do we have such spots made for us? Have you all gone through a rigorous process of admission? Because we all were forced to go to one specific destination, irrespective of the start points. Is it true? So my start point was medical, I ended up in engineering. So there was no seat in medical, then the cost was very high, and then we ended up. So the world wants you to fit in on a track where there is no compensation, there is no consideration given, but then everybody wants you to be successful. Is it true? Everybody sitting in this room is having or is feeling some sort of pressure which the society has built on us. Everybody with me on this. So when I come to this seminar, very small example. If I'm coming to this seminar, I have to wear a jacket and come because society will not accept me if I'm not wearing a jacket. True? Everybody agreeing with me? Now here, even though if I have a list of achievements and I come in a t-shirt, will you people take me seriously? No. It's the reality that nobody will take seriously. Even if you take me seriously, next time college will not call you because your t-shirt will be This can happen. So society wants you to be in some specific manner, an XYZ pattern which the world or the society is set for you. Correct? And in this all pressure and all stress, we have also joined the race. In the first year itself, we start thinking about placement. Do we? How many people have started thinking about placement now? First year, no? Raise your hand, we all are. And those who are not thinking, you should start thinking now because you are living in a society where you want, before you have marked sheet, you need an appointment letter. So everybody is thinking about it. What placement you are expecting? Guy at the back. This is. Yeah, please. You are expecting, not you. You can also tell me, no problem. I just want an example where
Any specific placement idea? No problem. If you don't want to answer, no problem. Anybody can give? I just want an example. Any placement idea you have? Girls don't talk much. Okay. Investment से पहले do we need documents? So first step is PAN card. PAN card तो चाहिए ना? Next step. A driving license we don't need. We need a good hands to write a essay if something. ऐसे लिखने के बाद जाके लाइसेंस दिखाना है, समझ रहे हो ना? अभी जिन्होंने ताली बजाया थोड़ा गाड़ी स्लो चलो. आपने पप्पा आपली काय ओळख मिळत कुठे आहे का? असलेला मला नंबर देऊन ठेवा. मी पण आत्ताच गाडी घेतली, दोनदा ठोकली म्हणजे भिंतीला ठोकलो. But I can write a good essay. I can write 500 pages. No problem. I have written a book also, but that is one topic. गुलादी तेव्हा लायसेन्स बरोबर आहे. Okay, ठीक आहे. ड्रायव्हिंग लायसेन्स इज ऑल्सो इम्पॉर्टंट पार्ट ऑफ लाइफ. Then you need a good CIBIL score. CIBIL समझते हो? You know what is CIBIL? For why do you need a CIBIL? Make a loan, right? So if you after writing a name in the center, you make a line, write PAN card, documents, CIBIL score, then your whatever is your loan procedure, and then you attach it to the car which is written on the top or bottom. Bottom is the realistic goals. Similarly with education. Now, for example, if I want to do a startup, anybody who has planned for a startup? No startups? No. सेकेंड ईयर में जाने के बाद आएगा क्या? अभी एडमिशन हो गया, यही बोल रहे हैं. कब हुआ एडमिशन? हाँ? This is your which month? Second month of college. You should do sessions for third year post year students. अभी तक इनको लाइफ में ऐसा now life will happen. अभी कितने दोस्त हैं एवरेज? 17 मोटे भाई चले क्या? कॉन्टैक्ट है क्या? कॉन्टैक्ट 500 लोगों के साथ कॉन्टैक्ट है. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट फ्रेंड्स. देयर इज अ डिफरेंस इन फ्रेंड्स एंड कॉन्टैक्ट, राइट? आई नो ऑल ऑफ यू बट यू आर नॉट माय फ्रेंड्स. करेक्ट? मतलब एग्जांपल लेंगे. आई नो मेनी पीपल बट दे आर नॉट माय फ्रेंड्स. I know him, but इसने मेरे को पानी दिया क्या? क्यों मेरे दोस्त नहीं है? वो मुझे पहचानता है. We know many people in life, but then these people are actually friends? No. No? So similarly, if you are planning for a startup, now what I did is, when I was in my first year, आपको पता है कि कोई भी लोन लेने से पहले या कोई भी अगर आपको ट्रस्ट करना चाह रहा है तो वो पूछता है कि आपके 3 IT फाइल ले दो. सुना है सर? तो अगर सोचिए आपने 4th year ऑफ इंजिनिअरिंग 4th year नंतर मी डिसाइड करतो की आता माझा स्टार्टअप करायचा आहे आणि त्याच्यानंतर मी माझा स्टार्टअप रजिस्टर करतो आणि त्याच्या पुढे मी 3 वर्ष थांबतो. How much time am I given? After 21 years or 3 years, and after that 3 years I will plan for a good startup. बराबर? So in this process I am wasting my 3 years. and उन 3 सालों में मुझे कितने ताने मारेंगे घर वाले? लोगों को तो लगा मई में एग्जाम है, अप्रैल में नौकरी मिलनी चाहिए. बराबर? फाइनल एग्जाम मई में होता है ना, तो अप्रैल में आपको जॉब मिलना ही चाहिए. नहीं मिलेगा तो क्या है? सिट हियर कैसे आगे ये चक्कर आ रहा है. घर पे कोई नहीं है, लेट आया मैं कॉलेज भी देखा उसको ऑफ हो गया. आई कैन सी ना मुझे सी मिले ऐसे विचार हो तो इंटरेस्ट नहीं है बट फिर भी पूछा. सो एवरीबॉडी कैन सी मी. आप लोगों को थोड़ा उठना पड़ेगा, तो ऐसे सो गया है ना पीछे, थोड़ा सीधा बैठो तो दिखेगा. तो ठीक है. तो स्टार्टअप अगर हमें करना है, if you are planning for a startup, you should register your company today, in the first year. इसमें क्या होता है, कंपनी रजिस्टर करने के लिए कितना खर्चा होता है, इसको पता है? Have you seen this somewhere before? You? Yeah, where have you been? Tilak. See this somewhere? I've done a session there. तो तुमने already सुना हुआ है मेरा. अच्छा लगा. बहुत सी जगह है मेरे. अभी वहाँ वाला तुमको भी अच्छा लगा होगा थोड़ा. ठीक. So if you register a company today, when you are in the first year, what do you need? Aadhaar card, PAN card, and 35 rupees. How much? Register your company with any XYZ name which you feel कि ये नाम से बोला जाए. Consent is important. Consent. So if you register your company at the first year, so when you are coming out of the college, that is in the fourth year, if you are not taking any gap or speed breakers are not there, 4 साल में तुम बाहर आ जाओगे. So how much old is your company now? 4 years. In this time, आपके कंपनी का टर्नओवर सपोज 0 होगा. अगर आपने कोई खर्चा करेंगे क्या? आपको क्या करना है? सिर्फ अकाउंट में 1000 रुपए डालना है, निकालना है. Every month, once. अकाउंट चालू रखना पड़ेगा. That is other investment. 1000 rupees is what you have to put in the account. Account में डाल दिया. 1500 rupees for IT cost. IT file. How much expenditure? 35 plus 1000 plus 1500. ये कितने साल का है? 3 साल का हो गया. 4500 rupees plus 1000 in the bank account and plus 30. Calculation करो. 5500 plus 5535. ये 5535 के अमाउंट में you get your company registered before you are coming out of the college. You get your so you get out of the college with a company which has got 3 IT files. So now when you have 3 IT files, you become eligible to take government tenders in the new Maharashtra Act, which is on startups. Same thing which I did. If you really don't want, you can go on. I mean, there is somebody who's laughing, and if he's not interested, he can go on because these people are actually listening. So if you get registered and then you have the 3-year IT file with you, you become eligible for taking a government funding. Now, for example, in an investment of 5035 rupees, अगर मुझे बैंक लोन मिलने के लिए मैं eligible हो जाता, is that a good thing or a bad thing? Now, if I take a good tender, say XYZ rupees, and that tender, will my family be happy with it? Because and then I have 6 months in my hand, and I have. I don't have a scripted. I never come scripted. I don't have this in my hand. Before that, let me tell you. See, when I was in third year, I think third year, fourth year, we had this. I have one of my friend who had put up a story on his Instagram. Not a good friend, but just more. He had put up a story that disappeared for 1 year and come up with your best. So 1 year, if you go out with public life and start upskilling yourself, start working yourself, start doing something for yourself, your life will change. Now that person who had uploaded the story had no clue that I have seen it, because usually 300-400 people on an average see it. Let me tell you all, after seeing that story, I realized that I am very much into the public life, birthdays, celebrations, parties, meeting people. If you are in Philippines, we have Alegria. So I was very much involved there in activities. After that one story which he had put for some other way or other message, I saw it. Let me tell you that one story changed my life, and within 1 year, my startup is doing a business of 2 crores. With this year, we have filed 2 crore rupees within 1 month. And in last 30 days, well, within 2 years, and in last 30 days, we have signed new contracts of 60 lakh rupees. Before the code of conduct. If you know the government rule, code of conduct से पहले work order लेना पड़ता है. So before code of conduct, we have signed 60 lakh rupees. तो आप सोचिए एक XYZ person जो शिवम मिस्त्री, if you know, he's a good famous guy. He put up a story. अभी उसने कभी सोचा होगा क्या कि मेरा स्टोरी देखने के बाद कोई तो एक XYZ person बैठा है तमिल में and he'll see the story and get motivated and start doing something with his life. सोचा होगा. So in this same way, आज का जो सेशन है, अगर आपको नहीं भी सुनना, there might be somebody in this room जिसका लाइफ आज चेंज हो सकता है. एक तो पसंद होगा कि भले मुझे नहीं सुनना, मैं बैठा हूँ अटेंडेंस के लिए, मुझे इंटरप्ट करने में बहुत मजा आ रहा है, हमें अगर नहीं सुनना तो दूसरे को भी नहीं सुनूंगा, बट यू नेवर नो दैट वन स्टोरी कैन चेंज योर लाइफ. वन Instagram story, you see thousands of stories every day. One story I felt कि नहीं, I should stop everything and do something with my life, and it worked. Why not? There is one good motivation speaker who has his videos which are put up on Instagram always. तो उन्होंने एक बहुत अच्छा बोला है कि अगर आप आपने भी कहीं सुना होगा, अगर आपको माउंटेन हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं, पहाड़, एक डोंगराला जर तुम्हाला तुमच्याकडे खेचायचं आहे तर टेक वन हेअर स्ट्रैप, मेक अ लूप, पुट इट ऑन द माउंटेन, पुल इट टुवर्ड्स यू. अगर आया तो पहाड़, गया तो मान. सो दिस सेशन कैन बी इन दैट मैनर, राइट? अगर मैंने बोला हुआ, आपने ट्राई किया, गया तो क्या ज्यादा जाने वाला है, और अगर इफ इट वर्क्स, सो इट इज बी गुड थिंग, राइट? So never do it in this manner, because there might be somebody who's actually listening and will get motivated from you. So if you register a company with 7,500 or 5,335 rupees, and then you become eligible for your startup, do you see that your entire 3 years is being saved here? होगा कि नहीं होगा? This is one part. Second part, which the college can do or the teachers can help students doing it. कॉलेज के ऊपर एक प्रेशर होता है कि आप लोगों को इंटर्नशिप देना इंपॉर्टेंट है. कॉलेज के टीचर्स भी आपको पुश करेंगे, टीपीओ आपको पुश करेंगे फॉर इंटर्नशिप, गो आउट एंड डू समथिंग, वर्क इन इंडस्ट्री, होता है ना? अभी सोचो, आपने फर्स्ट ईयर में आपका कंपनी रजिस्टर कर लिया, सेकेंड ईयर, थर्ड ईयर, फोर्थ ईयर में जब आप जा रहे हो, आपकी कंपनी ऑलरेडी एस्टैब्लिश्ड है, 3 साल पुरानी है, अभी इंटर्नशिप देने के लिए एलिजिबल हो आप लोग. अभी अपने फ्रेंड्स को साथ में ले लो. नाउ यू आर गेटिंग 3 पीपल वर्किंग विद यू. इन बच्चों को जो भी आपके साथ काम कर रहे हैं, योर टीचर्स कैन कनेक्ट विद देम, और आप लोग उनको इंटर्नशिप का लेटर दे रहे हो, बट योर कंपनी इज बीइंग बेनिफिटेड विद इट. आई डिड द सेम थिंग. आवर सीईओ इज प्रणव पिल्ले. ही हेल्प्ड अस विद इंटर्न्स. सो आई टुक इंटर्न्स फ्रॉम माय बैच इटसेल्फ. दे स्टार्टेड वर्किंग विद मी. वी वर 10 people and Infinity Public Relations came into reality. So if you have a registered company now, you are saving your 3 years. And in 4th year, you will be having hands those who are working with you as interns, and you are building up your company. Works. अभी उनको खुद का कंपनी निकालने को आता है तो वो खुद का निकाल सकते हैं, बट सबको आएगा क्या? Few people will look for internship. Now you are eligible to give internship letters to them, तो उनका भी काम हो गया. कुछ लोगों को इंटर्नशिप मिलता है, सबको मिलता है क्या? 100% इंटर्नशिप हुआ ऐसा भी होता है. You can give maximum, पैसे तो देने नहीं है. If you have some fund with you, you can give them some stipend if you are able to do it, and if you are not, you can do it for free. In this way, in the last year, you have your company completely set up, and when you come out of the college, you can directly go for contracts or for private contracts. Works. This is a very simple path for startups. Similarly, you can achieve all your goals if you have a clear destination, and the answers are within you. You will not have to go anywhere, ask anybody, because you know what is your ability. I know I cannot jump 100 meters or whatever, 10-15 meters. I know I can do 4 meters, 4 foot, so I should go for 4 foot. ये पेपर बनाने के बाद किसी को दिखाना है क्या? क्या खुद के पास रखना है? Because if you show it to somebody, again they will come up with suggestions. होता है कि नहीं? हम अगर किसी को कुछ भी बता दें लाइफ में कि मुझे लगता है कि ये करना चाहिए, मे बी इट इज एन अनरियलिस्टिक थिंग, कोई भी नहीं बोलेगा सही है, ट्राई कर. दे विल कम अप विद देयर ओन प्रॉब्लम, सॉल्यूशन, सजेशन. ये मैंने ऑलरेडी किया है, ये मुझे पता ही था, ये चलेगा ही नहीं. एवरीबडी विल टेल यू कि ये तो नहीं चलेगा. ट्रू? मुझे तो सबने बोला था नहीं चलेगा. वी कंप्लीटेड 9 years. फर्स्ट ईयर में ही सबने बोल दिया था कुछ नहीं होगा, चलेगा ही नहीं, कौन काम करेगा, कौन तेरे साथ आएगा. अब वी हैव अ गुड स्टाफ, वी हैव अ टीम, वी हैव पीपल अराउंड, we are getting contract. So why not try? That is the only thing which I want to tell all. Motivation session or success, this is an what you can say, thing which does not have definition. Motivation can come from stone. Motivation can come from a story which I took. Motivation can actually come from this session. If you go home today and do something nice, can definitely work. You all are in first year, I suppose. If you have time, give your time for society. थोड़ा टाइम अगर आप लोग निकाल सकते हो, NSS, you have NSS, right? College में है ना? If you have time, you can join in there, because your attendance is also balanced out there. So if you have time for the society, उतना टाइम भी देने के लिए ट्राई करो. With that, उस प्रोसेस में किसी का भी नेगेटिव इन्फ्लुएंस लिए बिना लाइफ में अपने आप पर फोकस करो. People will call you selfish, definitely. अगर फॉर एग्जाम्पल हमने how much time we have now?
13 minutes.
Very small part I will tell you. How many people here have burdens on you, emotional burdens, emotional baggage समझते हो? इसके ऊपर है. ठीक है, हाथ ऊपर मत करो, बट अगर है तो समझ लो. See, emotional baggage is not always about relationships. Relationships in terms of, it is not about always the love relationship. It can be a friendship or a baggage also. यहाँ पर बैठे, don't raise your hand, but you definitely feel bad if your friend is talking to somebody else, if your friend is, hanging out with someone else, if your partner is hanging out with somebody else. What's fine? भाई घर में पता चला तेरे को बुरा लगा, बहुत बुरा लगा. आएगा मतलब हम मैसेज डालेंगे उसको. So there are people who don't feel like celebrating birthday because my XYZ friend is not posting a picture of me with him or whatever, happy birthday with a good song. So these emotional baggages are going to be with you all till 22. उसके आगे भी होगा, बट उसके आगे आप लोग उसको हैंडल करना सीख जाओगे. आपके लाइफ में पूरे देश की अर्थव्यवस्था का जितना प्रेशर है उतना पूरा प्रेशर आपके सबके कंधों पर है, और ये मुझे पता है. तो एक चीज समझ लो, आज जो आपके साथ खड़ा है, खड़ी है, दिस इज अ टेम्पररी फेज, इट्स नॉट अ लॉन्ग टर्म थिंग. सो इन चीजों का बैगेज अपने लाइफ में पढ़ने जाओ. बहुत से लड़के ऐसे होते हैं जो रात को रोते हैं, बहुत से लोग, एंड इट इज नॉट अ बैड थिंग. रोना चाहिए, एक्सप्रेसिंग योरसेल्फ इज इक्वली इंपॉर्टेंट. बॉयज अंधेरे में रोते हैं, लड़कियां बाहर होती है, करेक्ट. जब गर्ल्स रोते हैं तो इनको ऐसा रुमाल दिया जाता है, आके हमको बताएंगे, हमको कोई नहीं देगा, इसलिए हम आते हैं, करेक्ट. रोते कि नहीं रोते? क्योंकि बॉयज के लिए ऐसा कोई बेस्ट फ्रेंड भी नहीं होता जो उसके सामने रोऊंगा तो बोलेगा चल शर्मा करते, मुझे ठीक लगेगा. यही होता है, लड़कों के साथ तो ऐसे ही होता है. तो इफ यू हैव समबडी हु कैन टॉक टू यू नाइसली, तो उसको बताओ. इफ यू डोंट हैव समबडी जिसके सामने तुम एक्सप्रेस कर सकते हो तो मत बताओ. बट जिस चीज का टेंशन ले रहे हो, जिस चीज का इन्फ्लुएंस ले रहे हो आज, वो 3 साल बाद आपका फोन नहीं उठाने वाला या वाली. ओके. लड़कियों के पास ऐसे फ्रेंड्स होते हैं जिनका एक ग्रुप होता है, वो ग्रुप में उनमें बात कर सकते हैं. हमारे पास ग्रुप में बात नहीं होता, दूसरा बहुत कुछ होता है. तो वहां हम एक्सप्रेस कर सकते हैं क्या, आई एम फीलिंग लो टुडे, ऐसा कोई बोल सकता है? हिम्मत किसने हिम्मत है मेरे बॉयज वाले ग्रुप में डालो, आई एम फीलिंग लो टुडे. जिंदगी 4 साल करियर में, इंजीनियरिंग में मैं पूरे 4 साल वही थी. बट ये प्रेशर आता कब है? जब हम लेंगे. योर मार्कशीट एंड योर सैलरी स्लिप, ये हमेशा इंडिविजुअल होता है. बॉयज के लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट होता है, क्योंकि हमें एक अभी इक्वली गर्ल्स भी फैमिली चलाते हैं, बट बॉयज पे थोड़ा प्रेशर ज्यादा होता है. लड़कियां एग्री करेंगे क्योंकि हमें घर लेने के बाद शादी करेंगे जनरली. तो बॉयज के ऊपर एक प्रेशर होता है, और वो प्रेशर इतना मत लो कि आज की लाइफ एंजॉय करना भूल जाओ. इतना भी प्रिपेयर मत करो, इतना भी मोटिवेशन मत लो आज जाके कि सब छोड़ छाड़ के कल से कंपनी के पीछे पड़ जाना है. क्योंकि why am I telling you this? क्योंकि I did the same thing and which is wrong. मैंने आपको बोला कि I never went to Allegria. 2 साल गया, 2 साल के बाद नहीं गया. I never went to farewell, traditional day, शादी डे, ये डे, वो डे. फिर तो बहुत डे होते हैं, आप लोग देखते हो. So I never went. But when you come to a position, अभी आने के बाद regret फील होता है कि तभी unnecessary ज्यादा लौटे हुए, तभी इतना प्रेशर ले लिया कॉलेज और इसके साथ कि अभी जाके ऐसा फील हो रहा है कि नहीं यार तब कर लेना. सो वट एवर यू डू इट इन अ बैलेंस्ड वे, डू इट इन अ प्रॉपर वे. और इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि यू शुड नो वेयर यू आर हेडिंग. अगर मुझे पता ही नहीं कि मैं CST जाना है तो मैं क्या ही करूंगा, समझ रहा हूँ. CST जाते हो किसी को धक्का देने के लिए पीछे खड़ा मत करो. ये जो नेगेटिव इन्फ्लुएंस वाले लोग हैं ना, इनको दूर खड़ा करो। और उसी के साथ साथ हम खुद भी किसी के लिए नेगेटिव इन्फ्लुएंस हो जाते हैं। इवन यू डोंट टेल पीपल व्हाट टू डू, एंड इफ दे आर डूइंग समथिंग, इफ दे आर ट्राइंग टू डू समथिंग, टेल देम दे आर डूइंग इट वेल। Never be a negative influence and never take negative influence. And this 4 years of your life, engineering, it is going to be a roller coaster. Every day will be a challenge. Every day you will feel like coding. Every day you will be coding. Every day you will be having assignments. Every day you will be getting hurt. But let me tell you all, after engineering, life was अच्छा. Let me tell everyone. After graduation, पता नहीं. But whenever now, when being a contractor, when I go to the